In this video, I am going to show you how to watch live college football on YouTube TV. If you're a fan of college games, this guide will help you stream them easily. Let's get started. To watch live college football on YouTube TV, start by subscribing to the service at tv.youtube.com if you haven't already. College football games are often broadcast on networks like ESPN, Fox, CBS, ABC, or NBC, all of which are included in YouTube TV's base package. Download the YouTube TV app on your device or access it via the website and log in to your account. Once logged in, browse the channel lineup or use the search bar to find the specific game you want to watch. You can also set up reminders or record games using the Cloud DVR feature for later viewing. If this video helped you learn how to watch live college football on YouTube TV, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.